This is a 1988 Kawasaki Eliminator 250. Now, when we got this bike, it had been completely redone. New paint, new almost everything. And we somehow lost the indicator lights here. So, I bought these, and they're little red LED lights. Let me go ahead and show you. Just with a 9 volt here. It runs off of 12, but you can power it up with 9. You can see here that powered it up. It's pretty bright. And what I'm basically planning on doing is connecting it straight into these wires here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull apart these, this here, and just do a how-to video. So first, we got to take off some stuff. Alright, and the best probably place for these is your pocket. And pull this headlight off. There's a little latch up in here on this headlight, so you gotta kind of work that loose. There we go. Alright, and I'm just gonna set this down here. Now, this is the wire for this blinker, and it looks like this is the wire for the other blinker. So these are the two blinker wires. I'm going to go ahead and mount the actual blinkers here. I basically made these little brackets here. I just took a piece of metal and I drilled a hole in the bottom here. I bent it again, drilled a hole big enough for this, but then I added a washer because it looks nice. And then I made them so then they will fit right in this screw here. Don't lose that screw. That would help a lot. Alright, put that in, and then should just be able to put this straight back in, and it's mounted. Alright, and now I need to run this into the back. Alright. Wonder if there's a way. Well, probably not. There is a hole right here. Might be able to just shove that down inside there. I want to hide this wire as best as I can. Got down in there, but it looks like I just got it. So fit this wire down in there, like this. Gotta get a screwdriver and shove that down in there. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm just going to make a nice cutting splice in here so that we can pull these two wires apart and should work. Alright, so you want to take the positive wire, pull this apart a little bit further. Take the positive wire, just wrap it around real quick. Don't follow my instructions for which one is positive. Basically, what we did, I'll just show you here. Take one of these things, okay, and just ground it to something. The best thing to ground it to is one of these bolts here, okay, and just turn on the bike and then turn on your blinker. So I turned on the right one, okay, and you want to just get in here and see this wire here. So, okay, I go to do that. Oh no, it doesn't turn on. I go to the other one, poke through that one. Oh, there it goes. So just figure out which one is positive and which one's negative so you don't burn out your lights. Take this, connect it up to the black. turn it on. Left. Perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover these connections up as best as I can with some electrical tape. Get this thing back together. I've been needing this for a while. I've only gone out 3 times, but I've needed it. Ooh, that's out of... There we go. That's going to better. That's better. Alright. There we go. Right, and that is how to quickly and easily put some little tiny blinker lights on your motorcycle. They look pretty darn good too. You can't really see the wires, which is nice. I actually thought about putting them on here, but my iPod holder got in the way, and the key got in the way. Then I saw these, and I'm like, you know what, I can make some brackets. So I made some brackets, spray painted them. Looks pretty stinking good. Next video, I'm on the road with my new blinkers and my new helmet.